If you're looking to get the best bang for your buck when it comes to the credit card that you use every single day, I've got you covered.
Double rainbow, oh my God. Whoa, oh my God, oh my God.
In my search to find the best credit card for you, I noticed one thing. It seemed like everybody is throwing their hat in the ring when it comes to creating a credit card on just about everything. With the International Brotherhood of Magicians credit card, the Hello Kitty Visa Platinum Rewards card, and of course, the Precious Moments Visa credit card. How in the heck are you supposed to know which one to choose? As I was noticing all of these random credit cards, I was like, come on, who in the world is buying enough Hello Kitty swag and Precious Moments figurines to make it worth those rewards for that credit card? Look, I know you're out there. I know you are, and you should stop doing that. Get rid of that credit card. Coming from a minimalist like me, please stop. You do not need all of that junk. So in this video, I'm gonna give you my list of the best cashback rewards credit cards that the internet has to offer. Hey, I'm Jarrad, and on this channel, we like to talk about all things personal finance and investing. When I started researching all of the cards out there, my head really started to spin, and I noticed some issues because so many of these websites just push credit cards where they get kickbacks when you sign up. So to help me evaluate each one and be as non-biased as possible, I did what any personal finance nerd would do. I created a spreadsheet. I spent hours and hours sifting through every credit card out there to find the best of the best for you. This video is not sponsored, and I do not have any referral links down in the description. So if you find this video helpful, then please Hulk smash that thumbs up button to help support this channel and my dog. If you go with any of these credit cards, and let me know down in the comments below which one you choose, or if you use one of these and think it's better than any of the ones that I mentioned, then please list that down in the description as well. Some people will say, oh, you're such an idiot for wanting cashback credit cards. If you were smart, then you'd get a card where you get travel rewards. But listen, not everybody travels often enough to make a travel credit card worth it. Plus, everyone says they love to travel until they travel for a week, then miss being at home and their normal routine. Cash is, of course, king. So if you know that you'll get more out of one of these credit cards, then stop waiting around and just sign up for one and quit leaving money on the table. One thing you'll notice that I won't touch on in this video is the interest rate for each of these cards. If you're worried about the interest rate, then that tells me that you can't handle your money, which means that you can't handle a credit card, so you should not get a credit card. Okay, my responsible adults who are left, let's get into it. The first card you should think about getting your hands on is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Now, Chase is the biggest and probably most well-known when it comes to their reward credit cards. They've got the Chase Freedom Unlimited, the Chase Freedom Card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, the Inc. Business Unlimited, the Inc. Business Cash, the Inc. Business, guess what? Preferred, and there's way more, so I'm gonna stop right there. The bonus they offer is absolute bananas. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited, you get 3% for the first year on the first $20,000 that you spend. That's up to $600 that they're gonna pay you. Now, I get that spending an average of $1,666, wait, 666, let's round up. $1,667 per month is a ton, but if you can do it, then do it. Get this card and take that free money. Even if you can't spend that much, then who cares? Because you're still getting that 3% cash back. After the first year, they're gonna drop your cash back amount from 3% down to 1.5%. So $1.50 for every $100 that you spend. There's a 0 annual fee on this card and 0 APR for the first 15 months. The vast majority of these credit cards do not come with any annual fees like more of the high-end travel cards do. I used to be one of those people who thought it was absolutely insane that people would pay a yearly fee just to use a credit card, but it turns out that paying a yearly fee can sometimes make sense for some people. As long as the numbers work out, then someone who spends a decent amount can come out ahead. Some additional perks they offer are purchase protection for 120 days after a purchase, against damage or theft up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. They also extend any manufacturer's warranty by an extra year on warranties that are 3 years or less. The last little perk on this card is that you can earn up to $500 cash back per year when you refer this card to a friend. They'll give you $100 per person you invite to sign up for this credit card. Overall, the cashback reward of 1.5% is a little meh, but the 3% for the first year is why I really like this card. If you're a family or have a large number of expenses planned in the next 12 months, then get this card just for that first year, then move on to the next one. The $100 for every person you refer is a nice little perk as well. Once again, I don't have this referral link in the description, so please give me a little kickback by Hulk smashing that thumbs up button, commenting down below, and possibly sharing this video with your friends. The next card in the list is the Wells Fargo Propel American Express card. Wells Fargo bases their rewards on points, so I'll handle all of the annoying work and convert everything to percentages and dollars for your benefit. One of the best things about this card is that they offer a $300 bonus if you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months. $3,000 sounds like a lot, but if you have a family or just happen to charge that much on a monthly basis, then take that free cash. They offer 3% cash back when you spend money on things like restaurants, gas, ride shares like Uber and Lyft, flights, hotels, and car rentals, and even some more popular streaming services like Apple Music, Hulu, Netflix, and Pandora. One more, Spotify as well. For all other purchases, you would net 1% cash back. There's 0 annual fees on this card, which is a bonus, and 0% APR for the first 12 months. But that shouldn't matter because you're gonna pay your bills. They do offer some extra perks with this card. You automatically get a cell phone protection plan when you charge your monthly phone bill to this card. They'll protect you up to $600 with a $25 deductible for damaged or stolen phones. They also give you retail protection, which basically covers eligible items that are lost or stolen within 90 days if you made the purchase with this card. Just like the last card, they're going to give you an extended warranty as well. So no more paying for warranties when you're in the store any longer when they're pushing these warranties on you. Sorry, Walmart and Best Buy and Target. They will double the original manufacturer's warranty of 1 year or less on eligible products purchased with this card. Now overall, this 1% cash back is trash, and you can absolutely do better. I'm going to say that right now. But this card is great for that $300 sign-up bonus if you're able to spend $3,000 within the first 3 months. And the 3% cash back if you have any upcoming vacations where you plan to book your flights, hotels, or rental cars. Worst case scenario, use it for the first year, then get the heck out and use one of these cards that I'm going to mention in the rest of the video. Now we've got the HSBC Cash Rewards MasterCard credit card. I actually forgot that HSBC even existed because the bank does not have any branches in Ohio, but it doesn't matter where you live if you want to sign up for this credit card. Just like the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, the HSBC MasterCard is going to give you an introductory 3% cash back in the first 12 months, but their amount caps out at a $10,000 spend. So that comes out to a $300 bonus if you can spend $10,000 within that first 12 months. But what makes this card different from the Chase card is with the regular cashback amount that you get after that first 12 months. They offer 1.5% on all purchases, so $1.50 for every $100 that you spend. But wait, there's more. Every year they're going to treat you nice and special and give you a 10% anniversary bonus. That means that they'll look back at the previous year, add up how much you spent, and give you another 10%. So this actually increases the 1.5% to 1.65%, or $1.65 for every $100 that you spend. Wait, what? I know it's not that much of an additional bonus, but it's still better than the 1.5%. There's 0 annual fees and 0 APR for the first 12 months, which seems to be the industry standard at this point. They do give you a few extra perks, and they're not anything special, but I'll mention them anyways. They offer protection for physical damage and theft to most rental cars. They'll also give you $5 off orders of $25 or more with Postmates. So if you use Postmates a lot, you might like this perk. They will also reimburse you up to $600 if your cell phone is stolen or damaged. This card is good for the first year's bonus, but everyday cashback reward of 1.65% kind of breaks my heart a little bit. But if you're ready to upgrade a little bit, then you're gonna love this next one because it is a beast of a card. And that is the Citi Double Cash credit card. The downside of this card is that there is 0 bonus. Boo! But they make up for it with how much they give you in cash back. With the Citi Double Cash credit card, you get 1% when you make a purchase and then another 1% when you pay the bill. I know you, and you're a responsible adult. So of course, you're going to pay the bill on time at the end of every month, so you basically get 2% cash back on every purchase. That is $2 for every $100 that you spend. If that's not neat to you, then I don't know what is.
How neat is that? That's pretty neat.
Just like all the other cards, there is no annual fee and a 0% APR on balance transfers for the first 18 months, but you'll pay the full 25% APR on day 1 if you carry a balance. But if you're carrying a balance and you only get 1% cash back, since you don't pay your bills, then what's the point in even getting the card to begin with? Now, unlike a lot of the other credit cards we've covered, you do not get extra things like extended warranties, $5 off Postmates, no cell phone reimbursements, no Hello Kitty swag, and no purchase protection as well. But that's because they're giving you 2% cash back. My final thoughts on the Citi Double Cash credit card is that I love it. Like, love it. I actually have the card myself. This card should be looked at as your go-to everyday spending card. I know you wanted that bonus with this one, but you gotta give them a little break here. They're giving you 2% back, you dorks. This is the perfect card for my fellow minimalists out there because it's just a straight 2% cash back and psh, you're done with it. But we can't forget this card. I love this card. My favorite card of all is the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. Now, I kind of just stumbled upon this card when I was doing the hours and hours of research. I'm glad I found this card because it kind of happened at the last minute. Do not feel bad for me. Just smash that thumbs up button, please. But I'm really glad that I found this card for you. One of the main reasons that I like this card a little bit more than the Citi Double Cash credit card is because of the bonus. They're gonna give you $100 in cash deposited into an eligible Fidelity account, which we'll get to in a minute, after you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days of opening up your account. That's an average spend of $334 per month. I like it. Nope, actually I love it. And the cash back amount, whew, I'm getting all hot and bothered just thinking about it. The cash back amount is 2% on all purchases. You gotta give me a minute. I just threw up in my mouth a little bit and I'm sweating bullets. Let me get this straight. 2% and a $100 bonus? That's like, I don't know, seeing a double rainbow in real life.
Oh my God, it's full on double rainbow all the way across the sky. Oh, wow!
There's no annual fee and no waived APR. Just like the Citi Double Cash card, this card does not come with any crazy special perks or features, except what you can do with the reward money that you receive. This is the really cool part. Fidelity gives you the option to spend or invest your cashback rewards. For all of your reward money, you have the option to automatically put it into an eligible Fidelity account. This includes a brokerage account, HSA, IRA, 529, or a cash management account. Oh my gosh, it keeps getting better. You can invest the money. I love this card. It's one of the easiest ways to build up your investments and overall wealth for the future. I get that you can just do this with your cashback rewards from other cards, but I see it as a bonus that Fidelity will automatically take care of all of this work for you. It removes some of the friction from the whole process that usually prevents most people from doing the right thing with their money when it comes to investing. So to recap, my #1 pick would be the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card for the bonus and the everyday 2% cashback spending, followed by the Citi Double Cash Rewards card, blah blah blah, I'm sick of saying the word rewards, for their 2% as well. The rest of these cards I would say to get, but only for the first year to take advantage of the bonuses that they offer, because other than that, the reward rates are absolute trash with a capital T. Make sure to Hulk smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below letting me know which one of these cashback credit cards that you prefer. Check out these videos that are around my head and the links down in the description as well. And of course, subscribe if you want more personal finance and investing videos just like this one. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Adios.